Brand new at Willies RV, the Alliance Paradigm. This luxury fifth wheel was designed for best-in-class functionality and quality. Hi, I'm Garrett from Willies RV, and today we're going to look at the Alliance Paradigm 395 BS. All Paradigms are built on the benchmark 101-inch wide-body chassis, giving this floor plan a wide and spacious feel. The kitchen has a residential feel with solid surface countertops, hidden cabinet hinges, and soft closed cabinet doors. In the kitchen, you're going to have residential microwave and oven and stovetop. When you get over to the sink, you have a faucet with a sprayer and a deep sink basin. Across from the kitchen, you have a 19 cubic foot 12 volt refrigerator and a good sized pantry that even lights up when the door is opened. In the living room, you have a dual reclining love seat, a sleeper sofa, an entertainment center that features a large TV, and a fireplace that offers 5,100 BTU of heat. There are also two cabinets above the TV for some extra storage. In the rear of this Paradigm 395 DS, you have a full bedroom and a queen size bed. Across from the bed, you have a dresser and two wardrobes for clothes storage. This bedroom has a private bathroom with a shower, sink, and porcelain toilet. Right off the kitchen, you have another bathroom that is conveniently located right next to the entry door. This washroom has a larger 40 by 30 shower, sink, and porcelain toilet. Off this bathroom, you have another full bedroom with a king size bed, dresser, and a large closet with washer and dryer prep. This floor plan offers a multi-purpose loft, great for extra storage or sleeping, bringing the max sleeping capacity to 8 people. This Paradigm also has 3 air conditioners, totaling up to 40,500 BTUs of forced air. Based off feedback from RVers, Alliance installed water shutoff valves in every major plumbing location in this coach, making it convenient to shut off a single fixture if there ever is an issue or concern. Outside of the Paradigm, you also have an enclosed underbelly with heated tanks and heated storage. Alliance also installed the Performance Running Gear package on their Paradigms, which includes 7,000-pound axles, Dexter 4K springs, Moride suspension system, and Super G 4,440-pound rated tires. Paradigm by Alliance was designed and engineered around feedback from thousands of full-time RVers, making sure this fifth wheel is perfect for its consumers. To learn more, visit us at Willies RV. We are located in Bloomer, Wisconsin, right off Highway 64, or online at williesrv.com.